Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 14 Pro, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer and begin with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device, so let's confirm it. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is *##. 426 ###. And here we are in the diagnostic, so we can check the server, host, port, and time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code, which is *##, 225 *##. And here we are in the calendar info, so we've got all the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. Let's go back and another code, which is *##6776 #. And here we've got the software version, so technical information about your device. So for example, the technical model, master date, branch, or PCB number. Let's go back and another code, which is *##888#. And here we've got the engineering mode, so we've got the PCB number again, and the QR code, which you can simply scan and then check some further details about the device. And the last code, which is *##800#. And here we've got the feedback menu, so of course we have to agree and continue. And basically, if you meet some strange problems with your device, so for example, with the home screen or with the touch screen, for example, it does not respond to your touches or something like that, you can simply record it and, for example, mistouch, you can record it and then send it to the developer, so they will try to fix your problem. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.